Let's look at some observations related to the irrational numbers. Square roots of all prime numbers are irrational numbers. For example, root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. are all irrational numbers. Sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is always an irrational number. For example, 7 plus root 3, 6 minus root 5 or 5 minus root 7 are irrational number. Product and quotient of non-zero rational and irrational number is irrational. For example, 3 multiplied by root 7 is equal to 3 root 7, or 4 root 2, 3 divided by root 5, or root 3 divided by 2 are all irrational numbers. Let's take an example. Show that 6 minus root 5 is an irrational number. The solution is applying proof by contradiction. Again, let's assume that 6 minus root 5 is a rational number and that can be expressed in the form of a by b or p by q. Here for convenience we are taking a by b, where b is not equal to 0, which implies that 6 minus a by b is equal to root 5. As a and b are integers, 6 minus a by b is rational, which implies root 5 also should be rational. But we know square root of all prime numbers are irrational. The contradiction exists because of incorrect assumption that 6 minus root 5 is a rational number. Thus we proved that 6 minus root 5 is an irrational number. Let's take another example to show 3 root 7 is irrational. Also show root 63 is also irrational. Again, applying proof by contradiction, let's assume 3 root 7 is a rational number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Here we are taking a by b. So where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. A by 3b is equal to root 7. As a and b are integers, so a by 3b is also rational. So root 7 also has to be rational. But we already know root 7 is irrational as square root of all prime numbers are irrational. The contradiction exists because of incorrect assumption that 3 root 7 is a rational. So 3 root 7 is actually an irrational number. Also root 63, which can be written as root 3 into 7 is equal to 3 root 7, which implies that this also is an irrational number. It's time that you build your retention by visiting wapak.com. Just go to the various courses and try some challenges. Happy learning!